Oh, look at this recent tax completion in your region, all the region in the country, in different country. This one won $0.260. This one on won 0.142. This one won, okay, this one is from Nigeria and it won $0.816. This one also won 0.187. This one won, oh, this one won 3.910 dollar. Okay, this one is also from Nigeria. This one won 0.042. Many people like that, they won. You can see they won a lot money, passive income regularly with this site. Okay guys, so hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. As you can see here, I'm going to teach you where you can earn a passive income regularly. Okay guys, what are the next thing to do now is that I'm going to drop the link below this video. This link is the one you will follow, and then you will register and you confirm your email address. So whenever you want to make any task or you want to do any task, so when you click it, it will ask you to click and submit some information like your name and the date of birth, and after that you are good to go with these channels. Okay guys, so let me go back to this drawing board. As you can see it here now, so after you have registered, you confirm your email and you have done the registration also, so the next thing to do is to come down to these three dots and then you click on it like this. Just click on it like this and you can see this dashboard, any referral, any earn, advertise, ladder, payment, support, all this chat room. You can contact the customer care also. So what are you going to do with this site is to come down to this place and click on earn. So as you have clicked on end now. So the first, as you can see my wallet, this is my wallet 0.500. okay, so that is my wallet. Whenever you use that link I drop below this video, you are going to be given 0.0500 before you now continue your task. You can do survey, you can do content, you can do task. Okay guys, so whatever you do here, you make a passive income. Okay guys, so I said a passive income. So the first thing here is to do is to just come down to this area. Just come down to this area. You can see the content here, whether you want to participate in content or you want to participate in survey, you want to participate in tasks, you want to participate in referral. Okay guys, so all this is what you can do with this app. Okay guys, so let me go to content first to show you exactly what to do here. So I've clicked on content now. So you can see under the content we have clicks, we have slideshow, we have engage, we have push clicks. Okay guys, so this click means that some videos, some YouTube video that you can watch and you receive passive income. Okay guys, so and then the slideshow also is there, and then the engage, you like some adverts. When you like some adverts, you will be given what you will earn some passive income. So let me click on that this engage so that you can see what is under it. As you can see it here now, this is the instruction concerning this one now. So current rate now is going to be 0.005 per video. So this one now, by the time you start earning, you watch this video, you will get 0.005 dollar. Okay guys, so let me go back to end now, back to this end now. Let me come down to this place and click on slideshows. Okay, so look at this slideshow now. If you come down to this place now, as you can see, this offer expire in 22 hours 25 minutes. So just click view. Okay, you earn 0.001 dollar. So all this is just a passive income that you can be earning regularly, and then to withdraw this is very easy. So we have some application that you can use. You can use different way of withdrawal. You can convert the money to Bitcoin, you send it back to your Binance or any wallet of your choice, and then you can withdraw it to your paper. You can, if you don't have paper, just convert it to Bitcoin and withdraw back to your wallet like that. And then if you don't have all this one, let me take you down to this area where you can see payments. Okay, So as I was saying, under the payment I'm talking about, you come to this ladder and you can see a lot of people that have won from different country. As you can see it here now, so this is the position of those people that won. This one has won $6.33. So he has $5 bonus. This one has won $6.24. He has $4 bonus. This one has won $4.07, and he has $3. So let me go to Nigeria and how much Nigerian has won. Okay, this Nigerian one has won $2.65, and it has 0.50 cent. Okay, another Nigerian has won $2.45 and 0.50 cent bonus. Okay, so many people like this, as you can see them, many different countries that are coming here to earn just a passive income for yourself and just to take care of yourself. Okay guys, by and large, this site, you come down here every day, there's nothing like, there's no task. We have different type of tasks in this site that you can perform and you can do. Okay guys, so this is all about this site, and you just come down, register and start earning your passive. So guys, I think this video is going to help many people to earn some passive income online, and then as you can see it here now, it will help you a lot. And then if you find this tutorial useful, please like this video and subscribe if you have not done so. So stay blessed. Peace.